Hello. It's 11 o'clock on a Wednesday night, and I randomly coerced my friend Josh and Jessica to, well, not friend, girlfriend, to come actually help with the WRX for the first time in 8 or 9 months, 7 months, or something like that. So, yeah, got all the new gaskets and head bolts over there, and then the heads are right here, and I think we're gonna put them on tonight. We'll see. Hello everybody, it is actually June 20th. I finally got like the last bit of hardware I think that I need for this. So yeah, it's almost done, which is pretty cool. Cam sprocket bolts need torqued. You see the new timing hardware, pulleys are on, so just need all the timing stuff back on. The back covers, you see this gasket for it, that needs on. Alternator's just super high, wedged up because I just plugged everything in under there. I'm just going around kind of plugging everything back in where it needs to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're looking pretty good. Next time I come out, I'll finish wrapping up, plugging in hoses, or plugging in plugs, buttoning up hoses, getting the timing done, and then after that, we should pretty much be ready to put it back in. So cool. This all gonna be one long ass video, so roll to the next clip. Still me. Today's like September 8th. Finally have time. Think the rest of parts that I need. I just cleaned up the clutch fork, put the new throw bearing on, cleaned the inside of the bell housing a little bit, degreasing things. And so now Now, I got the right banjo bolt that goes in here with all new copper washers. I got a copper washer kit, so I'm actually gonna do new copper washers. Pretty much everywhere that had a copper washer, I'm just gonna pull it off and put new ones on it. Some of them are already new. But yeah, so I got those, and then got some other things. Everything I've been putting on here, with the exception of the used turbo, is brand new OEM hardware, like everything. So I got some bumper clips, some more fresh hardware, gasket for the power steering pump. I forget what I bought this one for, but I'll figure it out. Oh, that goes into one of these. And then yeah, so this is where we're at. It's absolutely been a while. I'm sure this has been like the most fucking scattered video for the last year. I have no idea how I'm gonna edit it. Sorry, everybody, if you're even fucking watching. But nonetheless, we're close-ish per se. It's like I can make progress and then I'm missing a part. I make progress, I'm missing something. I want to go make some progress once I get the parts, and then my brand new engine hoist that I've used once just to pull this thing out fails and just doesn't work at all, and apparently maybe has bad seals. It leaked all of the hydraulic fluid out of it so slowly that there's not like a puddle anywhere because it's been moved around a couple times. That's cool. Couldn't return it, so Jessica's stepbrother let me borrow his, and we just picked it up yesterday, so here I am. So what I have intentions of trying to do today, with probably a 30-minute break so I can go write an offer on a house. Hopefully it's closed by the time this video is live, if it ever goes live and this is ever done. But gonna tidy up a couple more things here on the long block. Once I tidy up those things, we're gonna put it on the hoist. Once it's on the hoist, we're gonna install the clutch and maybe a pilot bearing. I'm gonna make sure this one's good, but if so, we're gonna do the old bread method to get out the Papa Bravo, put the new one in, and then this is basically gonna be ready to go in. If I can get this in a reasonable time, which we all know is not how it works, I'll probably be pretty excited and try to push to have it started tonight, but that's not gonna happen. So I'll probably do like a little time lapse, like quick clip or something of just me working, struggling, and then the screen's gonna go dark and it's gonna pop up. I'm gonna have a full beard and be 45 years old. So real quick, Last 2 hours were wasted. Couldn't find the pressure plate bolts. Looked everywhere, tore everything apart. Boxes, looked everywhere like 4 times. Thought everywhere. Called the dealership, ordered some. They won't be here till next Wednesday or Thursday. Put the order in because I knew if I put the order in, I'd find them. And then I found them. That's good. So, clutch, pressure plate are on, aligned everything, and we're getting ready to finally put this thing in. So, back to the time lapse. Day 2 in a row of working on this thing. My lovely assistant has been helping organize my mess. Thank you. But here we are. It is still obviously a mess, but not much left. Just miscellaneous bullshit, O2 sensor stuff, intake stuff, downpipe, exhaust back, intercooler bracket, battery, and then power steering lines, belts, and that's really it. Like, it's right, so close. Hasn't been this close in a while, so I'm pretty excited. That's just to get it all running. I've got new brackets and whatnot for the headlights, new bumper. Bumper needs painted. Need to put the crash bar on. So that's everything there. The guy I bought it from must have broken off the like the windshield washer sprayer tab, so I'll have to get new little nozzles for the top of the hood. That's not the end of the world. I'm trying to think what else. Not much. Yeah, pretty excited.